With Hover, your contractor can virtually inspect your property, eliminating the need to send a sales representative on site and speeding up the process. All you have to do is take a few photos of your property with the app. Your contractor will then receive all the exterior measurements they need to generate your estimate, and you'll receive an interactive 3D model of your property, which you can use to discover new materials and colors. The process is quick and simple. You'll receive an email or text message with a link to download the Hover app. Click on the link to download the app. Follow the guide on how to take photos of your property, one of each side and corner. Just tap the location to open the camera and take a photo. Rotate your phone to landscape and step back to get your entire property in the frame. A good photo includes free space around the top, bottom, and edges. Perfect. Let's move on to the next location. Corner shots are important. Make sure to include the full structure in the frame and empty space on each side of the property. Great. If we recognize a photo is missing important elements, you'll be prompted to retake it. Continue to take photos for each side and corner of your property until the grid is complete. Before you submit, make sure to check if there are any alerts in the grid. If so, it's best to add extra photos for those locations with an alert. Finally, you can add photos, like damage, in the Extra Photos section. Great. Now tap Continue and you're all set. We'll let you know when your 3D model is ready. Hover also works for properties with tight lot lines and obstructions, as well as connected and multifamily residential properties. Here are some tips. When taking a corner shot of a property with tight lot lines, adjust your position until you see free space in between the properties. Even if there's just an inch of empty space, it can still be a good photo. If the property has obstructions like tree coverage, just move around to minimize those obstructions. And don't forget, you can chat with Hover's support team in the app, via email, or over the phone. We're here to help.